I'm in my car. I just got in it. It got smashed up because like a random guy just ran into it.
What's happening?
Did you start the recording? Did you start the recording?
Call me at the place tonight.
I'm about to like do your introduction for you.
Hey, buddy. So what are you thinking about tomorrow night,
Alright, hang on. Come on, Noah.
Hang on, I'm repairing my allergy real quick. Alright, I'm ready.
Let me mark a waypoint on you.
My new website covers all 3 of my
Where the
careers.
freak are you?
What car is that?
Oh, there you are.
What car are you in?
Carbon is on.
Hey, Johnny, you going to the meeting tonight? Come on.
Oh wow,
Oh,
I
that guy
wrecked.
ran
Get off
into
the
me!
ass, we'll all be fucked.
Yeah.
What? You got Corpus sticker?
What's the closest Latinos customs?
Well, I suppose you can get all right. I'd love to bet you can.
Huh? Who?
All right. Thanks, buddy. See you later, Spidey.
Oh. I don't care. I'm gonna go repair my car quick.
Yeah, I do too.
Cause I flipped and like lost a
This guy
tire.
literally smashed into me. Didn't even try to stop.
Hey guys, what's up? It's El Vacano, fun to be me 7, or L, like he said. I don't know how to pronounce his name. So, what's up? Today we're doing a car show with Fun to be me 7, Pajamas, Jasmine, and L. Yeah. Hope you guys have fun. And poop on a kid with us.
What? What the fuck?
Alright, I'm on my way. I'm on my way, but what?
I'm on my way, but what?
Hey guys, Jackson is running his true car, so.
Chickenberry, Crimsonberry.
Look, we're getting pictures taken already. This big black guy taking pictures. You're cute. You're cute. There's a what? Which ones?
Ryan,
Oh.
ready? And Falco, jerk. Yeah. Hang on, I gotta take a picture.
Here, why don't we move them like into the sun where we can see the colors better? Here. Come line them up like sideways. Diagonal. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Noah, you freaking finally changed your rims. Here, let's get pictures like this. Alright, on my way in.
Butler, some boot to the eye, the boy. Yes, I'm not to mess with the lights on me. Oh, brother, big boy, big boy.
Alright, I'm coming in.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that, I didn't do that. That was some boot. Black, there's some boot.
Hold up. I'm putting my roof up. When do I stop, the grass? Oh, snap. That didn't go as planned. I went like freaking roof first into the fence.
Roof first. I got killed.
Here, come here. What? What are we doing? No, we need to do a full-length drag race. The whole entire airstrip.
I'll do that.
Alright, just get in with us.
Hang on.
I know how to host these things. I'm really good at them.
Here's the phone. I'm gonna eat a child. I'm gonna eat a child. The child's gonna suffer a terrible death. I'm gonna eat a child.
Uh-oh, Massacre's getting beat. Uh-oh. I smoked it.
Ryan, this house is beautiful. I think I'm in love.
I don't think he's quite happy.
Hell, hello, boo. I'm a big boy. How about you? Are you a big boy? How about your face? Hello, big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Hey, I'm a big boy.
I'm actually somewhat staying with him because I got a good start. At least I somewhat stayed. Oh no. I always forget about that freaking part. I want to join in. I'll give you guys a 1 second head start. Wait, what? Restart, restart, restart. We all went at separate times.
Somebody's gotta say go.
No, 3 honks. I'll do the honks. Sorry. Let me get in this gun. Alright, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Alright, let's get any car and drive.
Go, 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 go.